Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Monroe County in south central Kentucky, Allen County in south central Kentucky, southeastern Warren County in south central southern Barron County in south central Kentucky until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:58 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Scottsville, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Scottsville, Tompkinsville, Gamaliel, Fountain Run, Allen Springs, Oak Forest, Gum Tree, West Fork, Maynard, and Harlem Crossroads. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately.
Doubleheader.
Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Allen County in south central Kentucky, Barron County in south central Kentucky, western Metcalfe County in south central Kentucky, southeastern Edmonson County in south central Kentucky until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:59 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Glasgow, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Glasgow, Edmonton, Cave City, Park City, 88, Red Cross, Coral Hill, Pritchardsville, Lecta, and Haywood. Hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Triple header.
County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Delaware County in Middle Tennessee, western Jackson County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Sumner County in Middle Tennessee, Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Clay County in Middle Tennessee, Macon County in Middle Tennessee, Trousdale County in Middle Tennessee, until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:01 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles northwest of Lafayette to 7 miles east of Gallatin to Mount Juliet, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Gallatin, Lebanon, Lafayette, Carthage, Hartville, Mount Juliet, Westmoreland, Watertown, Gordonsville, Red Boiling Springs, Hickman, South Carthage, Alexandria, Liberty, Tucker's Crossroads, Bethpage, Moss, Woodleyville, Dixon Springs, and Pleasant Shade. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 between mile markers 229 and 265. Interstate 840 between mile markers 73 and 76. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Over now.
A tornado warning remains in effect
Good.
until 8:15.